This is a whole set turbo off of a 855 cubic inch 400 Cummins engine. I'm gonna run about 500 pounds of boost and it's gonna sound badass. I think it's gonna have to sit somewheres up in here. I'm gonna have to figure out where the oil lines are gonna go. I'm going cross country with it, hauling 40 tons of logs or something like that. I'm gonna run a 90 down into that. Right there. That gives me plenty of room to get the valve cover off. That's where I have to cut the hole for the manifold. There she is. Everything fit pretty good. That's what I'm talking about. That sounds freaking awesome. Moment we've all been waiting for. Looks pretty cool in there too.